secret reeds when night winds sigh. She knelt beneath the darkened sky. With linen oil and whispered breath, she worked her will against cold death. No throne remained, no courtly hall, only silence over all. Yet in her hands the old worlds lay, the sounds that night itself obeyed.
Speak the name, awaken bone, call the wandering spirit home. Find the breath and stir the heart, let no love be torn apart.
Through word and will the world shall see. Life may rise from memory.
She traced the signs the ancients knew of skyborn fire and morning dew. She called the winds from desert sand, and life returned beneath her hand. The river hushed, the stars leaned near, as if the heavens strained to hear. For in that hour of spell and flame, she forged anew a broken name.
Speak the name, awaken bone, call the wandering spirit home. Find the breath and stir the heart, let no love be torn apart.
Through word and will the world shall see. Life may rise from memory. Not as a king of mortal throne, but lord of realms the dead have known. He rose to rule where shadows part, and weigh the truth in every heart. Thus death became a hidden gate, not an end but altered state. And fields would rise when floods returned, as if the earth that lesson learned.
So priests would chant in later days of magic sung in secret phrase, that order stands when love is strong, and broken worlds may yet belong. For in her spell the ages heard the power of a faithful word, that life persists where voices call and memory refuses fall.
Speak the name, let silence break, let the sleeping spirit wake. Through grief and night the truth is plain, what's loved in time may rise again.
For in the bond no death can sever,
Leaves the spark that burns for